Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the pet sitter function on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should click on the More button. Down below, tap on See More. Then click on Blueprints. After that, you should tap on the All button in the middle of the screen. And then scroll down until you find the Pet Sitter section, where you can help your sitter to care for your favorite animal. Click on the Make Your Own button, and you should customize these descriptions of your pet's need in the daily schedule section. So for example, when asked for the morning schedule, Alexa says, and then you should type it in. For example, Socks wakes up around 7 in the morning and wants to be taken out. Make sure she does her blah blah blah. And here you can also set the afternoon schedule, so when the pet carer asks for the afternoon schedule, Alexa will says her the following message that you can customize here, and here you can type in the evening schedule as well. Here you can customize these lists of vital information such as about allergies, about medications, or special notes. If you want to indicate where to find certain things, such as dog food, so when the person asks where is the dog food, you can indicate the location in the bedroom, for example, or any kind of location, and you can add an additional note to it if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.